Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about whoop.com. So this money earning platform is legit or it's a scam. So what are the scam, and in this video we will talk about each and everything. So let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you this platform is you can say the trust score of this platform is not too good, 1 out of 100, or you can say 2. And if we talk about the age of the platform is this platform is approx 22 years from now, and in the period of 22 years the trust score should be approx 98 to 95, but it is not. Okay, so this is the first indication this is not a good platform. And if we talk about the other thing, the other reviews are on Trustpilot. When you visit on Trustpilot you should read all the reviews on Trustpilot. Okay, so you can see they have approx 983 reviews, out of which 17% are you can say negative reviews. And this is the very interesting review. I want to show you something this review. You should read this review very carefully. I want to show you, you can see over here, I spent a day promoting their website which promised me to pay $50 per 1k views. And this person make lots of videos on YouTube, and this person is promoted their you can say platform very much. And after that they will add some rules the audience should be belongs to US and Canada only. Okay, and they will pay the you can say promoters, or you can say anyone the whose audience is US from and Canada. Okay, so basic thing I want to tell you, all the reviews, all the videos which you have seen on YouTube, all are working on affiliate model. When they promote their website they will get paid. Okay, you will see $50 per 1k view they are paying right now. Whoop is paying $50 per 1000 views. Okay, so basic thing is this is not looking like a good platform. And if we talk about reviews, you will see lots of negative reviews, and they are all you can say Whoop team is sending all the message. You can say each and everyone the same message. You can see over here, thanks for sharing your information. You can see over here they just copy and paste there, you can say this message only. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision, and if you have any experience with this platform, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.